There's a lot laying. Look at him. He's running back and forth.
There's a festival called Brand that takes place in the southwestern United States every year. Here's a view from the sky showing the incredible
Really?
amount of people that come to visit.
Don't you start it.
What are you doing?
Hurt.
What are you doing to him? Yeah. Oh, yeah? How's that go, Birdie Bird? Huh? I see you. How's your pretty boy? Zuzi down there. Yeah, we're home. Making all these weird noises. My baby making weird noises. That's Daddy's shirt, Zeus. We can't have it. He usually attacks my hat when I take it off. And now he's attacking my shirt. This dog has got such a big personality. Yeah, my Zeusy. You, Mr. Noisy. Everybody hears you, Bert. Yeah, everybody hears you. We see you too, Zoe. Oh, yeah. You want to roll over for the belly rub? No. Baby girl. There's Zeus's sister right here. Yep. I live in a bed full of chihuahuas. I Spencer. And Sissy coming in brotherly love and sissy love. I don't know about that kind of love. Oh, you're licking her leg. Okay. I was going to say. And little Charlie. Bert, quit saying hi like that. I swear, dogs or something else. Oh, yeah? You waiting for Mommy to bring some food? Oh, waiting for Mommy to bring the food. You got some right there on your plate. No, it's not what you like, huh? Okay. Yeah, Bert, you make some crazy noises. I can't figure out if you're a chicken or a Chihuahua dog. What, Zeus? What's it barking at? The Chihuahua. 10 feet tall and bulletproof. Make a noise, you'll hear them. Try to touch them when they're by your buddy, and they will lash out and become 10 feet tall. We just had to stop him from trying to hike his leg. Male Chihuahuas. So dominant. That's all they do is hike leg everywhere. Females, they get down and go squat. Pretty good. But these little males are something else. Yeah, go where you're supposed to. On the pad.